Hello and welcome to a new Lakeside Parkway video. Right, something a little bit different today, something a bit exciting as well. So we've got something new to show you. So there we go. So it's the Eurostar Beatles Hornby train set, the yellow submarine one. So I've just literally picked this up. A massive thank you to Tony's Trains in Rugby. Like I say, did click and collect. But I've had this on order a couple of months now. Been excited for it. Yeah, so I've got the main train set. And we have the extra cars. So I know these are quite hard to get hold of actually. Yeah, so it's actually good to have them here. So yeah, let's get it open. So the box, like I say, the box design is very nice on these. Bit different. So what I'll do is I'll open the train pack first and we'll have a look at them. So this is actually the first time that I've seen this. So you're seeing it at the same time I'm seeing it. So let me move that down there so we can. So we'll take that off. I'll tell you what, this new packaging for train sets is a lot better. So let's have a look and grab out first. So there we go. So, wow, look at the printing on there. I don't think I've ever seen a model train with as much different printing on as this. Yeah, yeah. So what I'll do is I'll get them all out and we'll have a look at them one by one. Something that is good are these little wheel protectors. I've never seen them before. Right, I have to be honest, I don't know the story of this yellow submarine. I just got this. I do like Beatles music, but I've never watched any of the films or anything. But I've always wanted a Eurostar, so what better one to get than this one? Like I say, look at that. Look at the printing there. Figure out all out. So very impressive, isn't it? Don't think I've ever seen a train like, well, like I say, with this much printing on. This is the power cart. God, it's heavy. I remember right, when I had an original Eurostar, it was quite a light thing. This is quite heavy. It's got the Beatles written there. I'm sure for some of you, this would make massive sense of what all this means. I recognise a few of the songs, but that's about it. So if I put that there, then get out the train set, the train pack, sorry, the coach pack. Oh, sorry for anyone who's wearing headphones. Oh, that just tells you where to put them and stuff on it. I know this is something, when I had my original Eurostar years ago, that I sold many years ago, this is something I always wanted, was the extra car, the coach pack, but I could never actually get them. Look at that. There we go. So it is massively impressive, as you can see. Yeah. I'm just trying to think what to say about it. Apart from that, it's amazing. Like I say, they are only the cheaper Hornby models, so they're not going to be the most amazing thing in the entire world, but I think for the price of them, they are massively impressive. I've got a chip for this one, so what I'll do is I'm going to get that fitted. Let's see. It's screwed down. I've changed them a bit. So what I'll do is I'll unscrew it in a bit and get that fitted. I'll leave a on the end of this video, I'll put a little running session of it running around our test track so you can see it running. Like I said, I won't talk on that bit. But yeah, if you got any more questions or want to see any close-up pictures, just give us a call on, give us a message on Instagram or Facebook, and we can send you pictures or anything like that. But yeah, if you can get your hands on one, I would highly recommend them. They are very, very, very good trains. Look at the printing detail. I don't think I've ever seen printing like that. But yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure you stick around for the running video coming up next. If you liked it, leave a like, leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Thank you, bye.